How do animals move through the world so effortlessly? They sense their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate complex environments with ease. In the Cognitive Anteater Robotics Lab at UC Irvine, researchers draw inspiration from nature to design robots that can sense, think, and behave like animals. These robots can help us understand how biological brains process information and can guide the design of artificial intelligence systems. Rather than studying intelligence in isolation, the lab builds robots that interact directly with the world. In these systems, intelligence emerges through the interaction between a brain-inspired controller, a physical body, and the surrounding environment. One example is the Octobot, a robot inspired by octopuses. Octobot explores its environment using touch. Sensors allow it to physically feel objects around it and respond to what it detects. Researchers design the robot's hardware and software, from CAD models to neural-inspired algorithms that allow it to interpret sensory information and decide how to respond. By combining tactile sensing, behavior, and visual displays, researchers can study how perception and communication emerge from the unique sensory systems of octopus. Another robot is the Cuttlebot, a robot inspired by cuttlefish. The Cuttlebot navigates its environment using LiDAR sensors, which allows it to detect obstacles and map the space around it. Beyond navigation, researchers can program the robot to display a delayed gratification behavior when choosing between different rewards. When faced with an immediate but lower value food reward, the robot can learn to wait longer to receive a higher value one. This ability to delay an action in pursuit of a better outcome is an important part of intelligent decision-making and a behavior seen in children as young as 5 years old. It also has been observed in the robot's namesake, the cuttlefish. Studying how robots learn to balance these choices helps scientists understand the biological roots of decision-making and design machines that can adapt their behavior based on changing rewards. The lab's Carl Jack robot takes these ideas into the real world. This mobile robot can navigate outdoor environments while weighing multiple factors at once. Sometimes the best path is the fastest route. Other times, it's the path that uses the least energy, especially when its batteries are low. To solve this problem, the robot learns from experience. With each journey, its internal networks adjust and strengthen, a process similar to plasticity in the brain. Over time, the robot develops navigation strategies that resemble those used by animals. Its internal maps can even produce activity patterns similar to place cells, the neurons in mammalian brains that help represent location in space. By combining these internal maps with real-time sensory cues, the robot can understand where it is in the environment, often more reliably than GPS alone. Inside the Cognitive Anteater Robotics Lab, robots aren't just machines. They're scientific tools that help researchers explore one of the most fascinating questions in neuroscience. How do we perceive the world, make decisions, and learn from experience? By building robots inspired by biology, scientists are uncovering new principles of intelligence and bringing us closer to machines that are truly cognitive.